I smell like oranges and cherry blossoms. So I smell very fruity and flowery. I was a conqueror before being a streamer? No. I was not conquering anything other than my own bed. I'm a bed conqueror. Actually, I don't think I'm winning. I think my bed's winning, to be honest. She's getting me away from my computer and she says, please blank it for me? What? Why? Why are we smacking me? Hello? Why? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I'm so confused. I was trying to remember what I was gonna do. That was the sounds of my brain trying to activate. Ah, yeah, I remember. Did you guys see Paimon say Pog on Twitter? That was hilarious. That was hilarious. And Kek W. Travelers have to build their own map. Kek W. Draw their own map, sorry. Have to draw their own map. Kek W. The map is now working. Pog. I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think the Paimon on Twitter is run by Paimon. I think it's run by a random dude. Pot. Give us a teapot. Please. I mean, I assume they have trust. Wait, do we debate them from the beginning? A bed. Why would you want this bed? That bed looks like it has no cushions to it. Why would you not get the breeze blessed bed? Oh! Kitty! Cat. I got too excited, but there's a cat! Can I oh! That was spooky. Wait. That's spooky. It opens on its own. I'm scared. I'm moving. I don't like this house anymore. It's haunted. I didn't agree to have ghosts in this house. There's nothing wrong with a ghost in my IRL house. But I didn't have agreed to have a ghost in this house too. You have a table. You have a green table. Look at the stars. Sorry, I just realized. But look at the stars and stuff. Look at the background. Everything's so sparkly. Look how sparkly everything is. I'm building a rock army. You can't stop me, by the way. My rocks and I are gonna take over the... Oh, look at how cute the bush is. Look at this bush. Look at this bush. Look at it. It's cute. Oh, wait. This should be enough. Yes! Cat! Look at the cat! Oh, I just went through the wall. Look at it. I can't. Barbara's in the way. Barbara, you're in the way. Look at it. Look how cute it is.